CPAP batteries are used with CPAP machines to ensure that they are running at all times. And if you have any medical issues such as sleep apnea, then having your CPAP machine running properly is quite important. Thus, we are here with the best CPAP batteries that have been picked on the basis of these details. There are many products available to choose from best CPAP battery, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best CPAP battery from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Maxoak CPAP Battery Backup. Maxoak is one of the best options out there if you are looking for high-capacity batteries, which also includes a CPAP battery that can easily last for a pretty long time on a single charge. The Maxoak CPAP battery is present in the first position in this list, since it can be perfect for using for quite a long time, without needing to charge it again and again. This is made possible thanks to a superb battery capacity of 82,500 mAh, which is much higher than others. Thanks to the given battery capacity, this CPAP battery is able to offer a battery runtime of 5 to 6 nights, which is pretty amazing. Another great thing about this Maxoak CPAP battery is that it also comes with a 1-year-long warranty, which makes it quite great for long-term usage as well. Pros. Superb option for long-term usage on a single charge. Various power output options for Number 2. Rockwell's Portable Power Station. When compared with other CPAP battery options out there, the Rockwell's CPAP battery is quite versatile, thanks to its large number of power output options. Rockwell's CPAP battery is present in the second position in this listicle, as you get a large number of power output ports with it. As for its battery capacity rating, it is rated for 78,000 mAh, which is certainly quite great for most users. And while it might not be the highest, you also get a decent battery runtime of 2 to 3 nights with this CPAP battery. To ensure that you can use this CPAP battery for as long as possible, it also comes with a 1.5-year-long warranty, making it fairly reliable. Pros. Perfect option for charging all kinds of devices. Great build quality for portable usage. Fairly affordable, resulting in a high value for money. Cons. Can be a bit too large due to various output ports. Number 3. Nexpo Portable Power Station. Nexpo has been making all kinds of battery packs for quite a long time, which makes it perfect for those who are looking for highly reputable brands, while going with a CPAP battery. The Nexpo CPAP battery is one of the best options out there if you are looking for something that can easily last for a long time. Not only that, but this CPAP battery can also last for a fairly long time, thanks to its 80,000 mAh battery capacity. With the given battery capacity, this CPAP battery is able to offer a runtime rating of 2 to 3 nights, which is quite similar to most other options out there. But the best feature of this CPAP battery is that Number 4. Medistrom New Pilot CPAP Battery. Medistrom CPAP batteries are not only quite affordable, but they are also one of the smallest options out there, making them highly practical for many. This Medistrom Pilot 24 Lite CPAP battery is a great pick if you want something highly compact without paying a premium for the same. Unfortunately, due to the smaller size of this CPAP battery, it only has a battery capacity of 19,000 mAh. That being said, considering the given battery capacity, this CPAP battery can last for 1 to 2 nights, which is quite decent. One more advantage of going with this Medistrom CPAP battery is that it even comes with a 1-year-long warranty for your peace of mind. Number 5. Pure Products Bundle CPAP Battery. We have yet another CPAP battery from Medistrom, which is quite different from the previous one, since it comes as a bundle, and not just a battery. Medistrom's Pilot 24 Lite CPAP Battery Bundle comes as a pack of a CPAP battery, as well as a car charger, which makes it quite practical when compared with the previous one. As for the CPAP battery itself, this one also has a port battery capacity of 19,000 mAh. As a result, this Medistrom CPAP battery only lasts for 1 to 2 nights on a single charge. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.